Alright, I'm going to make a video on a vertical drop in a drop ceiling. I've been looking around online. I can't find anything that really shows this well. And I found some pictures of other people doing it, but no videos. And basically what you're going to do is you've got your main tee, up on the ceiling. And you're going to cut a piece of scrap main tee, sort of like this, with this little bend at the top. So I really just cut a chunk off, and then I bent it in two places because you don't want this to hang straight up against, because it's going to want to kind of cave in on itself, and you're not going to get a nice face surface. So if this is hanging up, all right, and this is your main tee, we're going to take this piece, and it's just going to hang on there like so, but you're going to see it from the other side. And what you end up with is a nice finished surface here, and then your tile is going to go right in behind this. And you're probably like, well, what about the bottom? We're going to take a piece of wall molding, and you can rivet that right at the bottom, and then you can see your frame for that vertical piece that's going to go in there. And those pieces just hang in place. You can crimp them here at the top, and they're going to hang nice and straight as long as you bend them the way that I have, where you don't just have a kink here, but you also have a kink down here so that it offsets where it's hanging from. Because you want to hang from the center of the tee, not kind of, crooked, if you will. So that it hangs perpendicular to the finished face on there. I hope that helps some people out. It's a real quick, simple thing to do. You just, snip this a little bit, bend it around, and a piece of 12-foot track is a couple bucks. So I need like 10-inch drops. So I can make at least 12 of these out of a 12-foot piece, and that's going to get me pretty far along my basement here. Hopefully that helps.